Okay, so this is the EMIAH high-end leather office chair. This is the S300 model. There's multiple models, but this is the S300. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox it and put it together. Then I'll talk to you a little bit about the installation. I'm going to try and do all of that out here, and then we'll actually walk inside. It's got a USB-C charging port built into the chair. It's massage, it reclines, super high-end. Double padded leather. So we're going to unbox all of this and go through it right. End up fast forwarding this part. It's a pretty big box. When you get it, you want to have two people lift it. So there's four things that come in the box. You're going to get your stand. You're going to actually get the seat itself. You're going to get a box. We haven't opened that yet. We'll do that in just a second. And then you're going to get the back portion here. You'll get a charging station to charge the chair. You're going to get a warranty and a QR code that you could scan to get more information. Join the Facebook page, and then you'll have a guide that will walk you through all of the buttons, how you can make it recline, do all the different things, and then also install. You see, it's a pretty easy install. Once you get everything put together, it comes with everything here. The smaller bag, you're going to get the electronic pump that goes on the bottom of the seat that connects it to the stand, a bag of 5 wheels that goes onto the stand. So you'll see it's got a star shape here. You've got 5 wheels. They turn 360 degrees. They're double-sided. They are plastic wheels with plastic here. As this gets a little fatter and then gets a little thinner, this is going to fit right into the base, the wheel base. And this is the portion that's going to go up and down. We've got our base, which is right here. We're going to throw right on here on this swivel. We want to make sure that we get it in the right spot so that it carries it. And then those two white pieces we're going to take off. So looking at the picture, there's this and this that slide into these two pieces. It was hard to actually show because it was so far up in here. Finish putting it together. You're going to have a chair that looks something like this. Now we have not connected the electronics on the bottom. Under the bottom, and I'll see if I can get a close-up of plugging in the top to the bottom. This is going to ensure that you can turn on your massage and all of your electronics work once you have this charged. So I'm actually looking at my camera while I'm doing this. So you've got these two cables, both male and female, and you'll want to plug these in and make sure that they just lock. So again, these are coming from the bottom piece. These ones over here are coming from the back piece. You can see that they're coming back from up under here. So let me just plug these in, and they're the same plug, the female, female, male, male. So let me get under, and so this locks this right into place, and they both have one of those. So there's that. The other last piece that you want to connect is the power source. These two pieces right here. I'm going to turn the chair around so I can get a better view of them. So there's an interchange right here. Once you get it plugged in, you can just snap this closed right here. Hopefully my hand's not in the way. And lock that into place. That's right there. Almost like working on a car under here. So the chair is officially put together, right? So there's a couple things that you want to know about the chair, right? Is that the electronics need to be charged. So it's 3.5 hours to charge, and then you can use all of the different pieces. Once we get this inside, we'll show you a little bit how to control everything. I'll get a close-up of the controls, which are on the right side. You also have a release on the left side. So if you saw that go up and down, right here is a lever to make that go down. Okay, let's talk a little bit about the functionality. This is a hydraulic powered up and down, right? So it's all the way up. Currently right now I'm going to sit in it, pull it, you can watch it go down. When we release this, it goes down. When we stand up, hydraulics, it goes up. On the right hand side, there's a couple things that you have. You have the power plug where you would plug it into the wall. 3 hours will give you a full charge. Depending on how much the chair is used will depend on how long that chair lasts or the battery lasts. Slides in just like this. You can see there that an LED light comes on. It's got 3 dots, charging from 2 to 3. So you'll see that it has a USB traditional port here. Right next to it, it has a USB-C port. Then you have your up button and your down button. And you just have to click it once and it goes. And we'll show you fully when I'm sitting in the chair from a side view. And then this is your massage option right here. You can actually hear the whole chair shaking, doing a differentiated massage up and down the spine with the back massager in there. So let me back up for a second and just show you what it looks like when I'm sitting in the chair. There's different modes. And looking at the buttons that we used before, I'm going to go through all of them. So this is on the right side of the chair. I hit the back button once. And it completely reclines. It's about 160 degrees, almost flat to 180. The nice thing is this moves with me, so I can hit that massage button right here. I got a lower back massage. And this massage is a little bit more intense, a little bit faster, and it's kind of pulsating. Then I can turn that off by hitting this. So you've got 2 modes. And then if I want to go down again, I just hit it once and the whole thing comes up. Now, the headrest and the leg/foot are connected. So they both go up and they both go down together. You have this swivel here. You've got this pad of stuff right here on the side. These armrests are full length. Again, I'm 5'9", 190 pounds. Again, for a kind of final breakdown, this is the EMIAH S300 model. High-end leather, double cut from everything on the front down with your legs. One of the things that I forgot to mention is that when you are in recline mode, your head and your feet will both recline at the same time. Those are connected together. So as the feet come out, the back goes up. You can see also around the whole thing that we've got double stitching. You would want to recharge the battery. There's an alarm on it. The battery drops below 10%. It will remind you and it will start to flash that little charging level. So you want to make sure that you get it all the way up to 100% battery. Pretty easy to use, and you don't even really need to have a plug nearby if you're only plugging it in every 2 to 3 days. The install was pretty easy. I think getting it out of the box is a 2-man job or a 2-person job. Once you get it installed, 1 person can move it. You can just lift it by the arms. Once you get it finally where you're going to put it, it works great. I think the thing that I like about it the most is this high-end leather, right? We've got double stitching all the way around, and the ability for it to recline in 1 push of a button. I don't have to pull a lever or anything like that. I can just hit the button once, and I can go all the way back to 160 degrees. And if I'm at work and I want to take a break for lunch, eat lunch, get a little massage, just turn on the massage. and I can just sit back and relax. Super comfortable, super easy to use. The instructions are very, very clear on how to put it together. The overall unboxing itself took longer than the install. All the pieces were put together. The only part that you may need help with is putting the electronics together under the bottom. You can just get down on your back and do that. But that's where you might need some help. Other than that, really, really easy install, super comfortable, and this is going to be my new go-to day-to-day chair.